Well, today is the day. The Jeep has arrived. It is here. The Jeep Gladiator is here. I am saying goodbye to the car. Well, it's just a car. I don't give a damn. My 2016 Lincoln MKZ. Pulling out my last bit of paperwork out the glove box. I cleared the home link system, cleared my image off of the display, and it's time to go in here and sign these papers and rock this Jeep Gladiator for 2 years, not more than 2 years. I don't need it for that much. Oh, let me get all my stuff out of there. Yeah, just 2 years. Just 2 quick years, and then a brother going electric. But anyways, let's say goodbye to the Lincoln MKZ, which I don't know if it was a black label, but it had all of the bells and whistles on it. That's it. It's gone. It's out of here. Make sure I got everything out the trunk. Probably did. So I'm just waiting on the Jeep to get cleaned up, and then I'll show you all the Jeep. One thing I already know I'm about to miss about the MKZ Hybrid is the gas mileage. I was getting almost 40 miles to the gallon in Los Angeles, where the gas is $5.99 around my crib, and in other areas it's easily $6.89. So I know the Jeep is not gonna be friendly, but I get to work from home. I'll travel out when I do real estate. So we gonna make this work. We gonna make this work. Anyways, let me go in here. I'm sure they're gonna be calling my name any minute now. This here is a beast. I would never spend 100 grand, 80 grand on a pickup truck ever, but this here is a beast. God dog, that's just too damn big for me. I don't need all that. But I'm here at Rydell Jeep Ram in the city of San Fernando, in the San Fernando Valley, making it happen. So yeah, let's get back in here and patiently wait. I don't know why dealerships take forever, man. It shouldn't take this long. Let's get in and get the hell out. That's it. That's it. To be continued. They got this bad boy sitting on the floor here. This reminds me of LL Cool J. Back in the day, I always wanted this because of LL Cool J, where he was standing on top of it. I think in Hey Lover. Look. Cold-blooded. Cold. Man, a Ferrari. I don't even know what that is. Cold-blooded, man. Dope. Still waiting. Going on probably like 25 minutes. Not bad. I've had worse. I technically could have been out of here yesterday. But let me step outside. So yesterday I technically could have already had the Jeep, but the rates they were giving me were atrocious. Chrysler, y'all rates are ridiculous. ridiculous. We're talking in the sixes. I know there's inflation and everything's going on, but that's ridiculous. I have perfect credit, excellent credit. I have an excellent salary. So I went home, did some research, and I found a way better rate that's saving me thousands. The lowest rate I can find online. So make sure you do your research. Don't rush the process. If your car is gone, it's gone. There's other million ones out there just like it, but don't rush the process. Just go with the flow. Make sure you're getting a good deal. So yeah, this one looks dope here. Too much for me. I don't like big ass tires on the Jeep. This is not mine, but it looks dope. Not for me though. No. Oh, so let me tell you how the process works. So let me tell you how the process works while we're still here waiting for the Jeep to get ready, and I still got to sign the paperwork. So when they're qualifying you for a loan, right, you can either walk away from the deal and go find your own, but then you risk the car, being sold to somebody else. In this case, my car was a special order, so I had 3 days to make the decision of whether or not I was going to pick up the car and keep it. And then once the car was sold, I would get my deposit back. Or your other option is if they're approving you for financing at the dealership, and you can get better someplace else, but you don't want to lose the deal or lose the car, what you do is that you ask for an options contract. And what that means, you leave with whatever deal that they left you with, but you have 3 days to secure your own financing through another means to find a better interest rate on your vehicle. That way you leave with the vehicle, and then once you find a better deal, you send the credit union or bank, whatever, your purchase agreement, and then they'll take it over from there, and then they'll pretty much cancel out whatever rate that the dealer gave you, and then you'll be under the new rate. So option contract is always a possibility to make the deal just happen that day if you're in desperate need. But don't ever go into a dealership desperate. I'm telling you right now, don't do it. All right, let me see what they're about to do. I think I'm up.
Done. This is what we do.
Yeah, the new Gladiator,
That's
baby.
what, hey. Now we're ready to ride, baby. We're ready to ride.
About to ride.
About to take this out right now.
Over exaggeration. Stop. Why are you screaming?
Open up.
Watch your fingers. Why, thank you. Be careful of your fingers now. Alright, so here she is. As you can see, my girls are super excited. I think they just like jumping up in a tall truck. But here she is, the Sting Gray. I gotta get these wheels changed out ASAP. Otherwise, what's the point of me getting a Jeep if it ain't gonna feel like I want it to feel? So that's the first thing on the to-do list. The first major thing. I've ordered the bed cover for it. I've ordered the side steps. What else did I get? Some other stuff, just some basic stuff that I can't even think of right now. But I will be out looking for some tires. Another thing that I want to do, it's not right away, but just basic. I want the bumpers to be color matched. color match to the body. That's it. So why did I get a special order? One reason, because strangely enough, as nice as it is out here in LA, as nice as it is, I could not find a soft top. Nobody had a soft top, period. I looked everywhere. I found, actually, I can't say nobody. I found one dealership in downtown. They had a soft top, but it was a manual. I'm not about to be on the 405 switching damn gears in the truck. That's just not happening. So there you go. I've already had the top down. I'm gonna have the top down all the time. I love convertibles, as you can tell from my whips in the garage. I've had many convertibles since moving to LA. A convertible stays with me. But I'm gonna be doing a on this bad boy, because if you're coming from luxury vehicles, right, this might be this. There's some things that you're gonna have to get used to. I've always driven Lincolns and Mercedes vehicles. Yeah, there's some things that you're just gonna have to get used to, but I had to get this vehicle. Had to scratch it off my list of cars that I wanted. But yeah, I'll do an update on that in the upcoming video. But here it is, the 2022 Jeep Gladiator. Jeep Gladiator. Thanks y'all for watching. I'm gonna start researching some lift kits. I don't want this shit way up in the damn sky like a monster truck. I just need it to fit 22s or 24s. So I'm researching right now what type of a lift kit I need to get to make that happen. That's it. That's it. All right, y'all. Talk to y'all soon. Peace.